How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. This morning, it's early in the morning. It's about 4 or 5 o'clock. Prepping right now. We're about to go out and do some fishing with some subscribers. They invited me. His name is Tyler and his buddy. They hit me up on Instagram. Said, hey dude, let's go out and do some pan fishing. There's some pike and stuff like that going on. So don't know what to expect. So hopefully when we get out there, we can figure something out and do some fishing. So with that being said, stay tuned. I'll see you guys out on the lake. Peace. You guys already know the process. I'm going to set up and then I'll talk to you guys in a bit here before it hangs down. Yeah, right there looks about right. Alright, so we're going to chill like that. That there, we're going to go to the next one. And now we crappie fish while we wait. Something bumped it. My marker went off by like a foot. Got him. Big crappie. Not big, but it's a eater. Dude came out from the weeds, bro. Relax, chill. I was still staring at you, and I just saw that flash thing came up out of nowhere. Nice little guy. Good eats. Dude didn't even hesitate. Got him. That's a nice one. Oh, jeez. That's a runner. Big gill. Eater gill. Alright, I'm gonna go check my flag before it spools me. See ya, dude. Got him. There we go. Oh, big one. Decent one. Same size. Alright, relax. Chill, chill, chill. It hit us so freaking hard. Two good eaters so far. Yeah. Oh, flag's up. Hope it's not a bump. It might just be a bump. Oh yeah, it's spinning. It's spinning. It's spinning. Little pike. The bumpers. These are the guys bumping. Yeah, they're the ones that were bumping, alright. First pike of the day. Not a big one, but a fun size. It's a good sign, you know, they're munching. Took my biggest shiner too. Little dude. Yep, going back. See you, buddy. My boy was not playing. He was taking life today. Man. I love. Got him. It's not a big guy, but we got him. Holy smoke, this guy took off running. Here's my marker. Oh, it's a bass. Let's go. Bro, it's a largemouth bass. Nice. That's what's up, man. First bass 2023. Okay, all right. Jeez. All right, it's going. Woo, it's running. Got him. Nice fish. Nice fish. Here's my marker. Pike, 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 pike. Pike, dude. Nice pike. Yep, nice pike. Hey, bro. Go grab my green box right there. Run, 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 run. It's not that big, but it's still a decent fish. Oh, he's out. Yeah, go grab it still, yeah. Yeah. There you go, guys. Nice pike with a flag. Not too shabby, right? Good start. Let's hope it get bigger. Don't go back and forth, okay? Just go side to side. Ready to go, like that. It's spinning. It's going, it's going, it's going, it's going. It's going. Look at that. Oh. Got him. It's not that big. Oh, it's a largemouth. Nice. Tyler. Got a bass. What's up with the bass, man? You ate my freaking shiner, but you can have it, bro. I'll give it to you here. That's a little chunky. Relax, okay, chill. So I'm trying to help you here. See ya. Oh, nice kill, dude. Popped off. Popped off just in time. They're decent, but they're not giants. Could eat, I guess. If you want them. I don't want them. The big ones. Non-stop action, guys. Non-stop. Crazy. Lake's coming up already. What is it? Hold on, I'll come over. Yo! It's a largemouth. Bro! It's a largemouth, dude. What the hell? Look how perfect I hooked it. Right on the tip. I guess we just had to leave the area, eh? Here you go.
That's awesome. I'm shaking.
Jeez. Dude, look at that bass. Holy cow, beautiful fish. I guess we just had to leave this area, eh? Man. Big crop. Yes. Big, yes. Yes, dude. What the heck? These things came out of nowhere, man. Insane. Not like giant, but better than what we were dealing with earlier. Oh, nice crappie. Yes. Another decent crappie. That'll work. Another crappie. So freaking feisty. Finally, right? Hey, don't I know you?
Maybe. Probably. I seen you in water.
I seen you. Was it what? No. Jefferson.
Yeah.
Walleye fishing. What's going on, man? How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Good.
Yes.
Man. Oh yeah. Let's go. My boy went for a ride. Oh, it's a walleye! Let's go! Dude, I got a walleye! I got a walleye! Bro! Let's freaking go, dude. I don't think it's 18, but you want to stretch it out? Go ahead. I just want to know how big it is, that's all. I'll put it on the ground. Do it properly. Yeah, it's definitely like a 16, 17. And I think out here is 18, so. Yep, 16 and a half. Nice. Good walleye going back. Beautiful fish. Yes. Cool. Oh, jeez. Still on my phone. Of course, he wraps me. Oh, it's a nice kill. Jeez. And good ear right here. That's a beautiful kill. Ah. Still going back. Alright guys, holy cow, look like a hot mess. I just got back home. You guys can see here, the crappies are in the sink. We had a good time. Caught a lot of fish. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna edit this. I hope you guys enjoy what I did here. Basically just put out some shiners, some minnows, and went after bluegills, crappies, walleyes, largemouth. We caught a ton of species. Like everything was just hitting today, which was awesome. I did not think that was gonna happen, but shout out to Tyler and his friend. So if you guys do like this stuff, make sure you guys leave some comments down below, hit the thumbs up, make sure to subscribe. I know I got some work to do, gotta prep some fish. I'll be eating real good for the next like day or two. So with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.